and welcome to the F1 Bake Off for the Chinese Grand Prix. Now for this week I'm going to make something super simple. I'm going to make some Chinese almond cookies, and this is because my first attempt was a complete disaster. So Chinese almond cookies, super simple. Let's get cooking! The first thing you need to do is into a bowl add 240 grams of flour, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 of a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking powder, and then just give it a little mix up and set aside. Into another bowl add 150 grams of sugar, 113 grams of butter, and 113 grams of vegetable shortening. Then take your electric whisk and mix them together. Once you've mixed the butter, shortening and sugar together, add in 1 egg and 2.5 teaspoons of almond extract, and then mix them up. Once you've added the egg and the almond extract and mixed it in, take your bowl with the flour and pop the flour in and mix it together until it resembles a crumbly dough. Finally, once it's resembled a little bit of a dough, you need to use your hands to roll it into a firm dough. Split the dough in half and wrap it up in cling film and pop it into the fridge for 2 hours to chill. After 2 hours, you need to preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius. That's gas mark 3, 325 degrees Fahrenheit, or 140 degrees if you have a fan oven. You then need to take your dough out of the fridge and slice each roll up into 15 slices. Then take each slice, roll it into a ball and place it on some greaseproof paper onto a baking sheet. Then, if you would like, you add 1 almond to the top of each cookie and then brush the cookies with beaten egg and pop them in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes. Once the cookies are cooked, then simply take them out of the oven and leave to cool, and then enjoy.